Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, but on this platform, I am Gabby Bad Curly. Welcome to my channel, old or new, God bless you. I'm back with a new video. Y'all see the background, I'm in the shower. I am a brand ambassador for Wondercurl, and I'm going to leave you guys my precious code so you guys can get some goodies. I am using the whole entire line, from the shampoo to the pudding to the deep conditioner and the jelly gel. Want to try Bantu knots? I did a Bantu knot look for New Year's last year. I'll put a picture somewhere up. I had like a crown of Bantu knots around, and then I had Bantu knots in the back, and I just unraveled the back and kept the front, and it looked really cute. So I'm thinking that vibe. Easy peasy, take them out. I know I'm gonna sleep like this all night. It'll be worth it. So let's get to it. So the first product we're using is by Wondercurl. It is the Clarifying Charcoal Shampoo Bar. This is what she looks like. Shampoo. She has olive oil, coconut oil, distilled water, sustained palm oil, sodium hydrate, shea butter, charcoal, and essential oils. We're going to use the Wondercurl Restoring Hair Treatment. This is like a deep conditioner. After cleansing with the bar, we're going to apply this treatment into wet hair for at least 1 to 5 minutes for a deep condition. If I can leave it in for 30 minutes and then rinse. I might need a little 30. Okay, rinsed out the shampoo bar. It gave very much squeaky clean feeling. My hair doesn't feel dried out. It smells really good, y'all. Now we're going to apply the Wondercurl Restoring Hair Treatment. Oh, she's whippy. Maybe a little smaller amount. Y'all know it says diamond size, but we always do 100 bill size amounts. So I'm going to leave this in probably like 30 minutes to an hour. Come back, rinse out, and then we style. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply my treatment. Detangle from your ends, work your way up. Always start with the bottom. We're going to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. I'm going to put on like a hooded dryer just so. It's the back of my head. I did flat twist instead of Bantu knots. Just a reminder of the products that I use. The products that I use for this style is the Wondercurl Get Set Hair Jelly. That was our styler. And then our product cream styler was the Wondercurl Moisturizing Hair Pudding. You see that? Like, it's defined, but it's not how like I want it to be. I don't know if it's because my hair is still soaking wet at the root. But Okay, this is the final results. I like these products. Matter of fact, my favorite product out of the whole line was the clarifying charcoal shampoo bar. I feel like that lather, just a little bit of rub and apply it to each section by section, helped me out a lot. It made my hair feel clean, my scalp felt open, and I feel like that part did its job. I loved it, it's my favorite. But I feel like both of those products, the pudding and the Get Jelly, didn't really combine well with my hair texture on top of being wet. I felt like it was too heavy. So I may try these products again separately on their own instead of putting them together. So these are my final results. It's giving, like, the curls look pretty. It just didn't come out. Like, I want it to look like this. But here's a 360 of my head. So shout out to Wondercurl. I'll put my code down below so you can get some goodies off. We have a sale going on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon.